There you are. That's it. He's gonna play it now, so you can watch what it does. I mean, you know what it does, but just watch, and he'll play a note. He'll play that note. That's bottom C. Go out. And that's the stopper. The one at Atlantic City looks basically the same.
Yes.
Yes, and it's got the glass panel as well.
But this was first.
Oh yes,
Of course.
30 years earlier.
30 years ago.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Well, about 30. I suppose it was technically made in 1888, 89, but installed in 1890 or thereabouts. I still don't know what this is.
It was the first time in the world, huh? First time.
And it was a pretty silly thing, really, but it's fun.
It's no sound.
That's
Huh?
it. No, it's just a. Yeah, now that's the bottom octave, so it's up as far as B, and the other octave is on the other side, and they're all pretty. They sound really good. So the 32 length sounds great.
Yes, of course.
But the 64 sounds all right if you're playing the 32 on the pedals as well.
Yes.
Now you're right getting over there. Is that okay?
Yes.
Or is it good?